my channel, and today I'll be looking at finding the inverse of a matrix, right? A 2 by 2 matrix. So to find the inverse of a matrix first, right, let's discuss something first. It goes in the order, this matrix goes into the order of A, B, C, and D. So the first element in this matrix, right, matrix A is 2, so 2 would be A. The second element is -4, right? So -4 would be B. The third element is 3, so 3 would be C. And the fourth element is -2, so -2 would be D, right? So corresponding elements basically, right? So now let's discuss now how to find the inverse of this matrix. So to find the inverse of this matrix, right, of matrix A, first, we need to find the determinant, and the determinant is going to be 1 over A times D minus B times C. So, as we know, whenever numbers are each up together like A, D, and B, C, it means to multiply. So, we need to put 1 over A times D and subtract it from B times C, right? So, 1 over AD minus BC, right? So we know that 2 is A, right? So it's going to be 1 over 2 times D, which is -2, minus B, which is -4, times C, which is 3. So we'll just simplify from here, right? So 2 times -2 is going to give us -4, because negative times positive times negative give us negative, right? Minus -4 times 3 will give us -12. So we have -4 minus -12. Whenever 2 minus signs are in the middle, it becomes a plus. So it becomes -4 plus 12, which should just give us 8. So our determinant is just 1 over 8. So here we need to find the adjoint. So to find the adjoint, right, what we'll do is to first swap places with A and D. So A is 2, D is -2. So this means that these would come in A's place, which is -2, and A will go into D's place, which is 2, right? This is to find the adjoint, right? And then now, after we need to change the sign of B and C. B was -4, so this means that B is going to be +4, C is +3, so C would be -3. So after finding our determinant, we find our adjoint, which we just did, and it becomes -2, 4, -3, and 2. And now we need to find our inverse. Our inverse is just simply our adjoint times the determinant. It's going to be this adjoint here times our determinant, which is 1 over 8. Sometimes some will leave it like this, right, without simplifying, right? But in some cases you're required to simplify, so let's do that. So we need to multiply 1 over 8 times the adjoint, -2, 4, -3, and 2, right? So let's do that. So -2 times 1 over 8 is going to give us -2 over 8, right? 4 times 1 over 8 is going to give us 4 over 8. -3 times 1 over 8 is going to give us -3 over 8. And 2 times 1 over 8 is going to give us 2 over 8. And we can simplify this some more, right? 2 goes into itself 1, 2 goes into 8 4 times. So we have -1/4. 4 over 8 can be simplified to a half. So it becomes a half. And then we just have -3 over 8, because that can't be simplified anymore. And then 2 over 8 just becomes 1/4, because 2 into itself 1, 2 into 8, 4. So this is our inverse. -1/4, a half, -3 over 8, and 1/4. Alright, so that's how I find the inverse of a matrix. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something new. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.